How to memorize answers for exams? This is a question which a lot of students ask me. Usually, teachers tell you that don't memorize. You're studying literature, so you should be able to write on your own. Now, what I've seen in my experience as a student, as a teacher, is that within that 2 hour span, if we expect you to write whole answers without memorizing anything, it's like an impossible task. So we have to memorize. But what will you memorize? That is most important. If you memorize answers written by someone else, it will be a difficult thing for you. Instead of that, if you have worked on that answer by working on each topic on your own, take materials from your teacher's notes, from your tuitions, from online sources, and then you reframe it according to your own style. All right, this is one thing. Second is, back in my college days, what I used to do is I used to frame my own answers from different sources, and then I used to memorize the first paragraph. After that, without seeing, I used to write it. And then when I can write it correctly, then I studied the second stanza. And when I'm sure that I have now memorized the second stanza, I wrote it. And then I wrote the first and the second stanza together. I know it sounds horrible, but trust me, it doesn't take much time. Actually, it's like one answer per day. If you devote 3 to 4 hours, you can memorize 600 to 700 word answers quite well. And if you memorize in this way, then the day before exam, you can simply just look at the beginnings of the stanzas and you remember exactly what is written in that paragraph. And even if you forget the sequence of lines and quotes, sometimes you will never forget the main point of that stanza. All right. So writing and rewriting is the only way to ensure that whatever you're memorizing will retain in your brain, will stay with you in your brain. And in exam situations, I know about students who black out in the exams because memorizing is one thing and writing it is another. So if you write it, and especially with a timer, finally when you have the whole answer memorized, you write that at least 2-3 times with the timer on. That will give you the confidence to face your exams. And try to memorize things which you have written in your own handwriting, not printed. Okay, so it is okay to get printouts of good notes, but then you need to write everything down in your own handwriting like old-fashioned people, and then only you can score like old-fashioned ones. And only then you can actually feel that confident in your exams. So, good luck.